Do you want to create unique Instagram Reels for your business profile, but you don't have any video content, only images? Well, in this video, I will share exactly how to create unique Instagram Reels using only photos, but not any Reels, but Reels that will bring you views and traffic to your account. Let's begin. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money online. If these topics are interesting to you, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So the first thing you need to decide is if you want to use your own product photos for the Reels or if you're going to use stock photos. Because if you're a blogger and you only want to share Reels with some tips, you might not require photos that include you or that you've taken, and you can use unique stock photos. But if you're a business and you want to promote your products and you want to sell your products, I suggest using your own product photos. When you're using photos for your Reels, you want to make sure they are well lit and well edited, so make sure to do that before starting to create your Reels. If you are using templates, you can find some really good ones in Canva, and you can find some really good stock photos in Canva as well. Other websites for stock photos can be unsplash.com or pexels.com. Now let's create one reel of each so we can see how that works. The first thing you can do is create the reel with photos before uploading it to Instagram. So as I said, you can do that in Canva, just use a template, add different animations to different pages, and then download it as a video. That can be done for different reels that just share quick tips, or if you're a blogger and just want to share a few insights from your last blog post, you can do that and then download it from Canva. Another option is to use different types of photos with different types of transitions and effects, and you can do that in any video editor. You can add these to them to make them look a bit more interesting and for them to attract more viewers. After that, all you'll need to do is just upload the reel to Instagram and add a sound to it. Now, the next option of creating a reel with only photo is by doing this directly in the app, and that can be done for different sounds such as this one that have a certain beat to it or that require you to modify the length of the image at a certain interval, and you can do that from the app. So click on creating a reel, click on the sound that you want to use, and then start adding the photos one by setting their duration. You can set their duration when the beat drops or when the image needs to change depending on the sound. You can use different trends that have images changing really quickly or just show before and after of different products. There are a bunch of these sounds that you can use from Instagram. Now let's talk about posting the reels, because yes, you've created the reel, you've chosen a sound, but how do you actually post the reels so they will get views? When you start posting Instagram Reels for your business, you want to make sure that your Instagram account is optimized for business, especially if you want these Reels to bring in new followers. If you don't know how to optimize an Instagram account for business, this video will help. Also, add a caption that explains what the Reel is about, 30 optimized hashtags that are relevant to the Reel, and also share that Reel to Facebook if the option is available. Once you're done creating your Reel, writing a caption and everything else, make sure to add a custom cover that will also go with your general Instagram feed and share that reel to the feed as well. By adding a custom cover, you maintain that aesthetically pleasing, cohesive look for your Instagram account. If you don't know how to create that for your Instagram account, I share how in this video right here. The next thing you'll need to do to make your reels work a bit better is to engage with other creators, like other reels, comment on other reels, and just be active on Instagram in general. If you want to see real, consistent growth on Instagram, especially with using reels, I suggest posting different types of content such as stories, posts, and reels, and I suggest posting reels every day if you want to see consistent growth. But if you can't do that for a longer amount of time and keep your account consistent like that, I suggest at least 1 to 5 reels per week. So there you go, this is how you create Instagram Reels for your business using only photos. In the future, I also suggest taking video content of your products, as that is a bit more popular, but that doesn't mean that you can't also create reels with only photos. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more such content on growing online with social media and making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.